This is my buddy, cicada. This bug literally visits me every morning. Plays with the dog and just buzzes around my head. At first I thought it was a wasp getting ready for the kill. Then I realized it's a cicada.
Flutter by, butterfly, into the sky till you're out of
Come on,
sight.
come closer. Come say
I
hi.
won't run, I'll flight. Oh, oh, I've got my feet on the ground. Say the word, I will be there with my hands held high. I will reach to the sky. Oh, oh, I've got my feet on the ground. Little bee, follow me into the field where I clipped your wings, and I will wait for your sting. Oh, oh,
Peekaboo.
I've got my feet on the ground.
It'll come back. It's gonna come back and hang out. Here it is. Right by my eyeballs. That's crazy. Hi, cicada. Good morning. Every day we get a visit. Good morning.
Running in the sand, living on the land. The salty breeze was in our eyes. We stood beneath the dragonflies and danced.